Have you ever noticed that stripe on towels? But did you know that it actually has a very specific purpose? Unfortunately, almost no one knows the reason behind this stripe, but in this video, I'm going to explain it to you. Whether the towel is slightly larger or smaller, they all have this stripe near the bottom edge, just before the end, which is woven a bit differently. You can find it as you see here, or sometimes even with a special pattern that runs across the stripe. In fact, it's not just a small design element. This stripe actually has a really clever purpose, which I'm going to explain in more detail now. This stripe even has a name. It's called the so-called Dobby border. After frequent washing, towels can sometimes lose their shape over time. Especially as they get older, they begin to stretch out. And that's exactly what the Dobby border is for. It's woven much more tightly than the rest of the towel, which helps prevent the fabric from stretching too much and also acts as a small protective barrier so the towel doesn't fray at the edges. At the same time, it gives the towel a distinct design, as you can see on most towels. Now, you know the real reason for this little stripe, and if you want to know the real purpose why shirts have extra buttons, check out the video you see on the screen now.